Shosho kazo come back to speaker now. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So today bengifuna senze i-review album. Actually akusina ne-album i-EP ekaMculo Maskandi. Usemusho usafika kakhulu keshemba laphana ubeka khipha ingoma eshisa ikhotha kakhulu last year. So ngizwe nje i-EP yakhe inengoma eziyisithupha and istyle sakhe so nesifuna ngenze le video. Angifuna nokukhuluma music kakhulu because I think kade ngagcina ukuzwa into different kanje. So I think umjida upheka into ehlangene ngempela. So i-EP yakhe ibizwa iMkhonto, inamaviki amabili iphumile and I think yenye yama EP a balance, yenye ama album azobe dlalwa ngephasika. So I think into enzo yonke eshemba lapha ni different kakhulu. Istyle sakhe nje sihlukile kakhulu. Khona enye ingoma elethi iMkhonto laphana isiqi nje sakhe like the production yakhe abaculi abaningi mabesaqala bashawa i-production thothi mhlawumbe ama-backing no bass guitar yabo kusabantu abakuma low budgets but music wakhe indlela osanda uyi-quality ngayo I think i-brand behind yena noma i-management behind yena noma abantu ababehind yena bayayazi into abayenzayo. So i-album yakhe ingishokhile umjida uthi no I think lo mjida lo khona serious ezayo laphana. So I think si-nation amabhinga kusamele simnikeze support lo mfana even nama-numbers ingoma zakhe indlela ezolikhama ngayo. Ikhona le enye ingoma akabhalele khona uma wakhe ethi mama sekuzolunga laphana. Leyo ngoma i-deep inesigqi laphana ine-message and abantu abaningi bayithandile because ngibona ngathi no isile ko 500k ama-views ku-YouTube. So I think insizwa lana iza kabi ngempela. Abaningi bathi yasenanda but ngathi kuthiwa nomlando wangapha ngako kuphi lomoya la ngawo Kokstad lapho bathi wasamuye ngalapho. So angina kahle i-story sakhe ukuthi wakuphi but I think uspecial abantu abaningi bele bemthathe i-note even nendlela nje uthatha serious ngomsebenzi wakhe from i-art cover moyibona le EP uyambona ukuthi kushaya ama-photoshoot lawa serious athi yonke into enziwa laphana kuya-investwa back for i-brand. So I think nje so speaker naso sifuna umnikeza ama-flowers. I think omunye umuntu ozoba i-star samaskandi lwana ikhona into enkulu laphana again. So nkeshemba no so speaker now siyakuvuma awe we out.